Tracy says, Tracy McElfresh here in Dayton, Ohio. I am in my little tiny bedroom, in my little tiny closet, and I'm pulling out my winter clothes. And I'm going to show you exactly how I store winter and summer so that I can change them out in 5 minutes. So if you don't know me, I'm Tracy McElfresh. I have a studio inside of Rosewood Art Center where I do alterations for the public. I also mentor and I run a large meetup group. But mostly, I love to make clothing for myself as practices. And I've been making my own clothing for 25 years. So I've learned a lot along the way. So I'm here today, quick and easy for sewing tips in and around a minute. I have pulled out what I've worn recently for my winter clothes, and there's quite a big stack of them so that I have a little empty spot in here to put the new things. I have some extra hangers if needed. And what I like to do is I have 3 or 4 of these plastic totes out in the garage, and they have lock-on lids. And I like to leave the clothes on the hangers. And of course, as long as they're clean, I roll them up and put them in these containers on the hangers. And watch this. When it's time to get the new clothes out, number one, since they're rolled up, they're not going to be as wrinkly. They're kind of loose in here, and that's why I have 4 containers. But I can just pick this up and pull out the clothes, shake them out, and put them into the closet. So that's it. And then I'm going to take these winter clothes and I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to take about 6, split them in half, and I'm going to take and fold them in so that the hangers are on top. And when it comes time to get out the clothes in the fall, I just reach in and grab these hangers and rehang them, but they're protected with the lock-on lids. So that's it. Tracy McElfresh, Tracy Sews, turning over your summer, winter, seasonal closet, how to store it, and keeping everything nice and easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.